moving a little brush around here, picking it up out of there. Gonna stack it right here. I wasn't sure I could do it these forks, but hey, I guess I can. Here we go. Relocating it here. Want to watch, get on them to make your tractor slide. We're gonna cut some off this tree here and cut us some fireplace or fire pit wood up later. Keep getting my leg over here and dropping my 3-point. Got the grass a-flying out here on Cotton Hill. James wide open. I think I found some fire pit wood. Ice storm got it a few years ago. Should be good to dry it out. We'll just take it up there and cut it right off in the size we need it.